Figure out the right pronunciations of articles a, an, and the in the following sentences. A book is lying on the table. Or should we say, a book is lying on the table. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Or should we say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. The flowers smell sweet. Or should we say, the flowers smell sweet. No wonder if you're confused about the right pronunciations. You're not the only one. There are many who find it difficult to pronounce articles a, an, and the correctly, as their respective pronunciations change with the vowel and consonant sounds in front of them. This lesson is all about clearing the doubts and gaining the clarity on the right pronunciations of a, an, and the, or an, and the. We'll find out soon. Friends, my name is Hemant Singh Rana and you're watching Live on English, making the language entertaining, lively and functional. And it's time to learn something new. First things first, the only time we are going to pronounce these three words as a, an, and the is when we are specifically talking about them as articles. For example, today we are going to study indefinite articles a and an and definite article the. See another example. We learn to pronounce articles a, an, and the. The moment we use these three articles in front of any word, the rules of pronunciation come in. There are three rules that we need to remember. So here we go. Rule number 1. Indefinite article a is pronounced as a. Remember, it's pronounced as a, not a. Don't get confused with the symbols within brackets. These are called sounds in the system of phonetics. Every sound that human beings make has a symbol, but that's another area of study. Right now, I will share some examples with you showing how we use article a in our daily conversation. Focus on sound a. A book is lying on the table. I'm engaged in a project. A cup of coffee is what I need right now. Steve is a brilliant player. It's a wonderful day. A meeting is in progress. I'm pretty sure from now on you will pronounce article a as a. Now rule number 2. Indefinite article an is pronounced as un. Remember, it's pronounced as un. Notice carefully how quickly article an attaches itself to the word after it in the following examples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. It's raining. I need an umbrella. An egg is what I want in my breakfast. It's an interesting book. An honest person is liked by all. I'm looking for an opportunity. It wasn't difficult to understand, was it? Last but not the least, rule number 3. Definite article the will be pronounced as either the or the, depending on the sound of the word following it. If the word begins with a vowel sound, the will be pronounced as the. If the word begins with a consonant sound, it will be pronounced as the. Let's see some examples. I'm still in the office. They're studying in the park. The article is worth reading. The flowers smell sweet. Samantha is carrying the umbrella. Lisa is reading the book. The only time we have the liberty to say the with words beginning with consonant sound is when we want to lay emphasis or make our sentences emphatic. For example, Steve is the best player in the region. Mark is the right person for the job. We are the number 1 team in the tournament. So friends, that's it in this lesson. I hope now you are very much clear on this, that we pronounce these three words as a, un, the or the. From next lesson, we'll learn the rules governing the usage of these three articles. I'll be back with you soon with a new lesson. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Goodbye.